Kept you waiting, huh?
Hey guys, it's Diamondbolt. You might notice something a bit different about this video, and it's because I got a new haircut. So I want to see a bunch of comments about how good my haircut looked, because I did it especially for this video. Today, we're going to be unboxing... I can't. We're going to be unboxing a bunch of packages we got. Where are the scissors? Alright, so we're going to start... we're going to start with some of these letters I got. This one. This one. Okay. Woo! Okay, this is fine. That was, not doing that again. Oh my god, it's hot in there. But with that terrible decision out of the way, let's actually get to some of the mail. Thanks, Ruby. I've got, a bunch of letters to open this time around. And I'm so sorry to the people who probably sent these like 50 months ago. And this time, yeah, we've got one really big package with like two really big things on the top, so that one I'm saving to last. But before we start, I'm gonna do what every shameless YouTuber does and plug the shit out of the PO box. If you want to send me something, just send something right here, and I will take 5 months to get to a video of it. I mean, unless a bunch of you guys send me stuff, in which case it won't take 5 months, but I'm the guy wearing a dinosaur costume. Who the hell do I know? When was the last part? I don't even remember, like July? Most consistent show on the internet. Dear Diamondbolt, my name is Jacob Hartman. I'm 12 going on 13. I love your channel. You got me into Transformers cartoons and comics before it was limited only to Bayformers. Even though you said Last Stand of the Wreckers was not for kids, I read it anyway. And now it is my favorite Transformers comic. I also have over 50 of the G1 Marvel comics. You did a video on your unpopular Transformers opinions 50 years ago. But thanks so much for that, Jacob. Really appreciate it. That's how old these letters are at this point. It's because I have to wait until I get enough in order to make a video, and that's why it takes me so long to get to these. But you know, that's obviously how long it's been. It's still talking about TF stuff. But thanks for that, Jacob. Really appreciate it. A lot of people make fun of like people for having like 12-year-old fans. I don't give a shit what age they are. If you watch my stuff, good on you. When I was 12 years old, I watched like the coolest stuff. I was watching like Nugget and the Biscuit. Alright, next up. This is from Canada. For the record, I would have loved to do the whole video in the dinosaur costume, but Jesus Christ, it was hot in that. And also all the property damage. Alright, where do I start? There's like a bunch of things this time. A bunch of New Generation stuff from my New Generation Transformers comic a while back. Yes, dude. Hey, Diamondbolt, you make such good work, and what if you got the chance to reboot Transformers Energon? I would make the animation would be in 2D, and Alex Milne would do design and storyboards. Also, Simon Furman and James Roberts would write. Have you ever heard of gorillas? Yes, they're terrifying animals. Drew me some Optimus fan art. That is never gonna show up, is it? And of course, we got some sick-ass New Generation fan art. I like Optimus in the corner here going, nope. Bravo, man. That is pretty... You can, like, see the effort with the coloring there. That's like, you furiously colored this. All right, 2 more to go. Just gotta ever so carefully not break what's inside. Hi Diamondbolt, I hope you really like this drawing of Soundwave in a comic I'm making called The Fallen Ones, about how the Autobots and Decepticons are both teaming to defeat Unicron. But back to the letter, I really love your channel. And he has drawn me a picture of Soundwave on the back that you guys can't see. You know, even at this point, though I hate Transformers now with a burning passion thanks to a very vocal group of like 5-year-olds, I really do appreciate this art regardless. You know, I know that obviously this really shows, you know, some age, these ones, but it doesn't matter to me. It's still people sending me stuff that they want to send, and I still appreciate it regardless. So, you know, I may not appreciate Transformers anymore, but goddamn do I appreciate your commitment to sending me stuff. Alright, big one. Careful. Just gotta get that out. We're good. I think we're good. We good. Hi, Diamondbolt. My name is Connor and I like your show on YouTube. Yeah, show. Welcome everybody to the Diamondbolt show. Wait, cancelled? I have been watching your show for a very long time and my favorite videos are the toy shopping hauls. I did one. I literally cried when the Inferno didn't have a head. Believe me too. I wish I could give you my head. Please don't. My brother says you're gay because you live in SA, which is full of criminals. What? But I don't think you're a criminal. Please keep making videos. Thanks. I did a drawing of Drift because he's my favorite. And there is your drawing of Drift. That is... Holy shit, that's good. Those designs were basically just someone having a stroke with a pencil. But this is like... You actually made him look good. So good on you, man. Alright, onto the big one. Now, this one is 3 things as far as I'm aware. There's these 2 at the top. Fine. Be that way. And then there's the box. So, should we open the box? Should we open the box first or the little white ones? What do you guys think? I think we go straight for box, but that's just me. I'm gonna open the box and probably damage whatever is inside. Woo! Finally. Good. Please stop bubble wrap. Dear DB, I'm glad you liked the Titans Return brainstorm and I'm glad to see you branching out on your YouTube channel. How about a toy hunt vlog? Kidding. Paul. Oh my god, it's Paul! Paul has returned, ladies and gentlemen. Flashback to 50 years ago. Paul was the one who sent me the brainstorm toy. Obviously, that. He kind of said that. P.S. to the DB fans, sorry, but this is not Paul Optibotimus. Optibotimus? As in, like, isn't he the toy review channel? Paul, you're not kidding anyone. I know you're the real Optibotimus just sending me packages. Come on, man. Come on, man. You don't have to hide. Also, a toy hunt vlog. I would not want to do that. But it would also mean chasing me around with a camera while I'm in a toy store filled with a bunch of kids with very concerned parents as to why there's like an almost grown man walking around looking for toys. Alright, Paul, let's see what you got. And look, man, I really appreciate this, but I'm getting very concerned that you are spending too much on me. Let me just chuck it over there. I don't even know, I can't even see what's in this one yet. Oh my god! Bubble wrap! Yes! This is why I do these videos. I'm gonna be totally honest with you. The Cyberverse Shockwave toy. I know you scoffed at this, but give it a try. I gotta admit, now... Thank you, Paul. I love it. I can't get over the freaking tank mode. It looks awful. I haven't even watched Cyberverse. I don't really care, but I have to admit, that toy looks pretty damn cool. Aside from the tank mode, whatever the hell Hasbro was going with that toy looks pretty damn cool. And the other thing is a massive pop vinyl of BT from Titanfall. Jack and BT, that's what his name was. I can't say I was the biggest fan of pop vinyls because I thought they were all the same thing, but that is ginormous. Holy crap. Get them out of there. I'll save you. I'll save you, BT. I won't let you die again. Holy hell, that's gigantic. Okay, alright, I get little Jack out of there as well. He's so cute. Oh, that's so cute. That is adorable. Look, now Ruby has an equally gigantic headed friend that are both gonna fall down. That is so cool. Paul, dude. Oh, and we still got these. I almost forgot. Paul, dude, Optibotimus, dude, chill out. Someone's obviously spending all that YouTube ad rev on me. I'm kidding. Is this the same guy? Or do they tape 2 of the same things together? That's probably what they did. I don't think this isn't Paul anymore. This is a different guy, I think. Sorry to give Paul the credit. Here we go. Here's another one. 24th of the 8th. This is dated, so it's only 3 months later. To be fair though, I got this package pretty recently, so this one's not on me. Oh god, it's foreign language. Konas Atatu Diamondbolt. Oh god, I just pissed off the whole country. I've been a fan of the channel since before you got 10,000 subscribers, and I'm glad to see you developing over time. I'm surprised at how slow it is though, as I feel you should have 100,000 by now. That was both a compliment and an insult. Thank you. Anyway, you mentioned you never saw One Piece, so I'll give you my copies of the first 2 volumes of the manga. I got a box set containing the first 2 sagas a while ago, and I feel it will be best if you got them. It's a bit more violent than the anime, but in a good way. Oh, believe me. I like violence. The plot of the story is a group of aspiring pirates on a journey to obtain the legendary treasure, One Piece. I'll admit the action and cast can feel a bit cliche at the start, but it gets good over time with dark moments, and it gets even better after the time skip. Hopefully you didn't see any of the spoilers for it like I did thanks to Watch Mojo. Yeah, no, I've never heard of One Piece. Dreaming! Don't give it up, Luffy, dreaming! Here's how the story goes. We find out about a treasure in the Grand Line, there's no doubt. The pirate whose eye is on it, he'll sing. All I know about One Piece is the 4Kids theme song rap. I've never watched it, so obviously, as evident by the letter, he has sent me the first 2 copies. The hell was that? Thank you, dude. I have been meaning to read this series for ever. I hope it's as good as everyone says it is, because it's like the longest running thing on the history of the planet. I feel it's better to make videos you want to make rather than doing things to keep your fans PlayStated. Yes, that I feel that way as well. I also have a few questions if you don't mind. What's your favorite starter Pokemon? Wait, no, I'll come back, I'm sorry. Do you think the cartoon reboots have become a lost cause? I do not agree with my video I made about a year ago on the problem with modern cartoons. I think we've seen a significant improvement in action cartoons lately, especially with Voltron and She-Ra, which I've only seen Voltron so far, but She-Ra looks freaking fantastic. I think there is potential for good reboots. Just do not do anything that Teen Titans Go did. That is should be studied as what not to do ever. What do you think of the Baraki? Get it away from me! Have you heard of Sugar Conroy? I've heard of him. I've never checked out any of his stuff. If you could meet any YouTuber, who would it be? Probably Optibotomus to thank him for all his packages. God damn. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this letter and the manga and close with it. Sian, I can't pronounce you. I'm so sorry. Look, from the bottom of my heart, it is my fault, not your name. Thank you so much, dude. That's seriously awesome. And so, is this... I'm so confused. Is this from this guy? Or is... Because this was with the package that Paul sent. Yes, okay. These two are the same guy. Okay, cool. So there is more. What could you... You've already sent me these, dude. Come on. Nailed it. And there's a letter. Oh, it's all crumpled. I wonder who could have done that. Oh, no, I cut it. No. Dear Diamondbolt, I'm sending you my old Naruto volumes too. Oh, okay. Good thing I accidentally got them in order. This one's also dated 25th of the 9th. And I've now put a hole in it. Wonderful. Well done, me. I'm sending you my old Naruto volumes too. I'll admit that the series could be better, but it could be worse. But if I'm honest, I feel like the first arc could have made a decent movie. As long as it's faithful, has a mixed cast, who understands the fandom, and keeps the funny anime faces. All jokes aside, how's the channel going? Is there anything you're looking forward to at the time you read this letter? Yeah, I have a very big announcement for December, but you know, just I don't want to tell anyone about that yet. Yeah, I don't want to let the audience know about what's happening on December 7th. You mentioned you like romance anime. And it reminded me of a manga I got into recently that's getting an anime called Kaguya-sama. And I was wondering if you saw it. No, but it sounds interesting. You obviously have very good taste, my man. Have you seen the 2003 Fullmetal Alchemist series? It's a bit more dramatic and the alchemy doesn't make sense at times, but it's alright, although I admit I prefer the manga. Haven't seen the 2003 one, but I did see Brotherhood. And there's a meme. The FBI agent in my computer watching me drink my 6th bottle of ranch. And yeah, there you have it. 2 copies of Naruto. You've made me a normie. I'm too cultured to check out these mainstream anime. Finally, I've run out of excuses to not read these. Oh my god, that was a lot of stuff this time. Thank you so much, as always, to everyone who sent me something this time round. As always, just overwhelmed with people's generosity. We've got... I hate doing this because I don't remember everyone's names. Jacob for the thing. Slim Sam 64. Digistream. Paul, of course. Optibotomus. And Connor. So, thank you everyone for just... Oh my god. Once again, if you want to send me something and show up in one of these videos where I get to fail to open your package because I can't use scissors, make sure to send it to this address. It's super easy. As I said last time, I can't control the rate at which I make these videos. I just need to get enough packages. But once again, I'm just overwhelmed with what people have sent me this time. So thank you very much, and I'll see you guys next time.